हेलो फ्रेंड्स मु रंजीत ए गोटे वीडियो रे आमे ओपीआरबी जेल वार्डर समस्त शिफ्ट रो कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस को कवर करबा आ आमे ऑलरेडी जीके क्वेश्चंस मध्ये ओपीआरबी जेल वार्डर रो कवर करी सारी छे जो माने से वीडियो देखि नांती ए वीडियो सला परे जेकी देखि परिबे निश्चित काम रे आसीबो एवं आ गोटे कथा कहया को चाहूची ए वीडियो केवल ओपीआरबी पय नुह समस्त एग्जाम पय काम रे आसीबो कारण कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस सब जगह रे कॉमन तो चलंतु डेनो करी स्टार्ट करबा 1 मेगाबाइट इक्वल्स टू अप्रोक्सीमेटली केते 1 megabyte. The correct answer is 1 million bytes. If you receive an email with an attachment from a company saying you just own $1 million, but you have never heard of the person who has sent the email, what should you do? ये गोटे सिचुएशनल टाइप रो क्वेश्चन है जाइछि तो ऑब्वियसली आपण जहा को जानि नांती चिनि नांती कंपनी ना सुनी नांती ताठो ईमेल आसीबो कहबो जे $1 million आपण जीति जंती तो आपण ऑब्वियसली काटी ही देबे डिलीट द ईमेल Dash is a version of Google's Android operating system designed for smartwatches and other wearable devices. Wearable devices, obviously Android Wear. What are Java, Perl and Fortran? ये सब कौन? ये होची computer programming languages. Which pagination options forces a paragraph to appear with the paragraph that follows it in MS Word 2010? The correct answer is keep with next. Dot matrix is a type of printer. The blinking symbol on the computer screen is called the cursor. How many cycles are allowed to a RAM? The correct answer is gote cycle ही allow अछि. Which of the following is not a way to copy slides, forms, other presentation in MS PowerPoint 2010? Is not a way to copy slides. Not a way. The correct answer C ही होगा. Use the duplicate slide. ये कौन? ठीक अछि. Animation schemes can be applied to dash in the presentation. All slides, selected slides, current slides, all of these. The correct answer होगा all of these. Which of the following statement is correct? यात्रो कोटा correct बोली से पचरची. You can apply transition only to first and last slide. Bhul. You cannot hide any slide. Bhul. You can create custom animation using animation pen. You cannot provide more than one animation to a single project. The correct answer is you can create custom animation using animation pen. The full form of TCP/IP. IP तो समस्त जानी थिबे निश्चित इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल. TCP रो फुल फॉर्म कोन? ट्रांसमिशन कंट्रोल प्रोटोकॉल. ठीक अछि. If you want देखो ये जगह कहू चाहूँ जी भी A to Z पर्यंत कंप्यूटर एब्रिविएशन अच्छी फुल फॉर्म सब अच्छी से सब को लेकिन गोटे वीडियो करछि कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस रो प्लेलिस्ट रे आपण पाई जिवे निश्चित से वीडियो देखंतु सेत्रु गोटे भी क्वेश्चन आपण बाहर पाइबेनी. If you went to send the same email to more than one person, you can type multiple email address separated by. Correct answer is comma. Web address can be written as words or as numbers. For example, www.sofworld.org might have an address number of 63.141.530. What are these numbers called? A number को कौन कुआ जाए? Internet protocol address, IP address कुआ जाए. बुझिएला? Dash is a web-based version of Microsoft's Office suite of enterprise grade application. यात्रो कोडा Office 365. Which of the following MS Word feature will save information in every few minutes is that you do not lose data? Auto recover. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document is called ताको कौन कहबा? Hyperlink. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document is called hyperlink. Which among the following key is used for checking grammar and spelling? The correct answer is F7. Which one is volatile memory in a computer system? That is only RAM. Computer programs that can replicate themselves without any human action and cause harm to the computer by consuming memory or network bandwidth are called. तो कौन कहवा ohms कहवा what does a ruler shows page width position of tabs columns length of the document सब जाक ठीक अच्छे verification of a login name and password is known as ताको कौन कहवा verification of a login name and password authentication which of the following is an operating system या तो कोड operating system google chrome नुह mozilla नुह debugger नुह तो correct answer है linux how many values can be represented by a single byte केतेटा value represent करा जाय परिबो गोटे single byte रे 256 which of the following options will allow you to force the user to choose the value of a selected cell from the specified drop down list in ms excel 2010 which of the following option will allow you to force the user to choose the value of a selected cell from the specified drop down list in ms excel 2010 the correct answer is data validation how many bits are in a byte the correct answer is 8 microsoft office is कौन सेटा shareware software नुह public domain software नुह open source भी नुह an application suite yes application suite कारण से ms excel powerpoint word transformation of input into output is performed by कहा द्वारा हुए तो correct answer है cpu which of the following is not an animation effect या तो कोड animation effect नुह appear fade translate कोड वासला animation effect रे some web applications maintain the list of websites and a brief summary of their content in large database these large databases are called dash and these web applications are called dash large database को हमें indexes कहवा आउ web application गुडी को हमें search engines बोली कहवा ठीक अछि next 1 second is large database ठीक अछि when you copy the address book contents of one of your mobile phones where both your phones are in your two hands you may be using dash technology तो यार correct answer है bluetooth यार correct answer है bluetooth दीटा जाको फोन दीटा हाथ रे धरिचंती तो ट्रांसफर होची डाटा केमिति ब्लूटूथ द्वारा while browsing the internet which of the following key is used for full screen view पई कोन दरकार F11 function key a network that is connected to the internet but uses encryption to scramble all the data sent through the internet is called ताको कोन कहै जिवो ताको virtual private network कहै जिवो the dash is the administrative section of the computer section administrative माने CPU what is used to make computer chips silicon which of the following is not a hardware of a computer या तो कोटा hardware नुह computer रो windows monitor central processing unit keyboard अरे windows कोड वसिला a collection of websites connected with hyperlinks and that forms the part of the internet is referred as a collection of websites that is www Microsoft's personal storage service is called कंप्यूटर यूज करथुवे निश्चित जानी थे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट रो पर्सनल स्टोरेज सर्विस कौन वन नोट तो नुह सब डॉक्स तो नुह माइक्रो डॉक्स भी नुह रही गला वन ड्राइव सिलेक्ट द ऑड वन आउट विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू वेब ब्राउजर्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज द ब्राउजर गूगल क्रोम भी मोजिला फायरफॉक्स भी तो जीमेल ही नुह वन स्टैंड्स फॉर वन रो फुल फॉर्म कौन वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क To enable synchronous scrolling of two documents, you should first enable dash feature. To enable synchronous scrolling, को feature को on करिया पड़ियो तो view side by side. Which feature can you use to combine two or more cells into a single cell in a table? Obviously, merge. दी तीनटा सेल को गोटे सिंगल सेल रे कन्वर्ट करा हबो. Line numbers command is used to काम कोन कौन करे line numbers command is used to add line numbers in the margin alongside of each line of the document. Programs stored in ROM are called firmware. When computers in a computer laboratory of a school area interconnected, then such a connection of computers is called local area network. A device that encodes digital computer signals into analog telephone signals and vice versa is called modem. Which device can understand difference between data and programs? Co device. Microprocessor. Word processing, spreadsheet, and photo editing are examples of. Kahar example is all. Application software example. Which of the following is not essential to connect to the internet? Not essential to connect to the internet. कौन? Camera कौन दरकार internet से तो connection. Which of the following keyboard shortcuts, when pressed, will open the apply style task pane? Apply style task pane by Control Shift S दरकार. Which of the following options changes font face, color and background graphics all at once for your slides in a presentation? कौन? Which of the following options changes font face, color and background graphics all at once for your slides in a presentation? ताको कौन कहा जीवो? Themes. What does a ruler shows? Ruler कौन शो करे? Page width ठीक अछि, position of tabs ठीक अछि, columns भी ठीक अछि, length of the document भी ठीक अछि, all of these. A set of instructions telling the computer what to do is called. ता कौन कहबा? Instruction जो set of instruction ताको प्रोग्राम कहबा. Obviously program हिसाब रे जेमती प्रोग्राम हेइतो सेमथिंग कंप्यूटर चलिबो. Which is not a input device. या तो कोडा input device नुह. Keyboard ओ नुह. Keyboard तो input, touch screen भी, mouse भी, but monitor नुह. What is cache memory? Cache memory या तो कौन? Extra memory used for overflow from your hard disk. A place to store secret information like passwords. No, it is same as your hard disk drive. First memory used for data that is accessed often. The correct answer is option D. First memory used for data that is accessed often. Fortran is एटा कौन? File translation, format translation, formula translation, floppy translation. The correct answer is formula translation है Fortran. Dash allows you to display your presentation in a web browser. कौनटा allow करे? तारा correct answer होची broadcast slide view. Slide show, sorry, not view. Broadcast slide show. Parts of CPU are कौन कौन? ALU तो ठीक अछि, CU भी ठीक अछि, MU भी ठीक अछि. आउ ए तीन जन को फुल फॉर्म कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करके जणेबे ALU, CU, MU. When computers in a computer laboratory of a school are interconnected, then such a connection of a computer is called local area network. Dash is a data storage device using integrated circuit assemblies as memory to store data persistently. What a data storage device? SSD. You can select recipients for mail merge by. You can select recipients for mail merge by. केमिति? The correct answer of all of these. Selecting Outlook contacts, using existing data source list, typing new list, सब जगह ठीक अछि. Where does your PC store your programs when the power is off? वो जगह store करे. The correct answer of hard disk रे. ठीक अछि. RAM तो पळेबो. All modern computer operate on. Correct answer of data. Opera Mini is a search engine. To move a section in slides pane dash कौन करिया पड़िबो? Right click on the section name, then click move section up or move. एटा तो नुह. Left click on the section name and drag it up or down to move it accordingly. ठीक अछि. Left click on the section name and press the up or down arrow key. ठीक अछि. Both नहीं नहीं एटा भी ठीक. एटा both A and B ही हबो. Right click on the section name, then click move section up or move section down. ठीक अछि एटा right. एटा ठीक अछि. B टा भी ठीक अछि. सीटा हबनी. Left click on the section name and press the up or down arrow key. ना ना हबनी. ठीक अछि. Both A and B will be correct answer. Using dash, you can search through your document. The correct answer is navigation pane. Data going into the computer is called data going input. Which of the following is not a language for computer programming? या तो कोटा language नुह. The correct answer is Excel. Pascal, COBOL, all of this तो नुह Pascal, COBOL तो ठीक अच्छे Excel केमती है In slideshow view the movement that you see when one slide changes to another is called a dash. That is called transition. That is called transition. When the draw table feature is selected, the mouse pointer appears as an dash. When the draw table feature is selected, the mouse pointer appears as an pencil. The dash is simply a series of computers linked to one another around the world for communication almost instantaneously with one another, that is internet. The number of pixels displayed on a screen is known as the screen number of pixels. ताले resolution. ALU is ठीक है हम पूर्व कहली ALU रो फुल फॉर्म कोन कहया पई माने कहया पई CPU रो पार्ट्स तो ALU रो फुल फॉर्म कोन तो करेक्ट आंसर हो arithmetic logic unit. Peripherals are ता कोन कहया जाय a part of the CPU no. Output device alone, input device alone, input, output and secondary storage devices. The correct answer is option D. Memory is made up of set of wires, set of circuits, large number of cells, all of this. The correct answer is large number of cells. Which of the following devices interpret lines of different thickness that are mostly seen on many products available in supermarkets? That is called barcode reader. When computers in a computer laboratory of a school are interconnected, then such a connection of computer is called. A question kete thara di tin thara repeat helani I think. Local area network. Select the incorrect match. Yatru goda incorrect achi. Incorrect achi. World's fastest supercomputer hela Sunway Tahiu Light. Example of hard disk floppy disk. अच्छा एग्जांपल ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क कमेंट बॉक्स रे कमेंट करिवे कोन एटा ही भूल अछि तो ये थिला टोटल एग्जाम रे सब शिफ्ट थिबा कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट टाइम जदी चैनल को विजिट करछंती देन सब्सक्राइब करके निजर सपोर्ट निश्चित देबे आ वीडियो टी कंप्लीट देखिथिबारु धन्यवाद।